A horizontal bar chart is created by marking an area on the canvas, then selecting bar graph horizontal in visualization panel. Then we need to start adding some data to these different settings areas of the bar chart. Let's say I want to overlook different industries. I could take this column here, industry, and put it on breakdown. I see a number of industries. I can see that the labels are not showing fully, so I need to adjust the y-axis and increase this leaf margin width to 120 maybe. Looks good. And then I want the bar height to reflect something, for example, market capitalization value. So I take that column and I drag it to the x-axis. I notice that there's a lot of zeros here, very high values, which is something I want to change. Again, going to the x-axis, and on the axis settings, I'm changing tick format to metric prefix. I can now color these bars by a numeric variable, for example, 2-week change. So I drag that to color. It should be weighted mean. The weight column should be market cap. I want to change the format to %. Now I notice that some of the bars are pretty pale. They are hardly visible against the white background. That's a setting that I can fix on the general settings of the visualization part. While the visualization part is selected, I click this cogwheel here, and I have a toggle that says show borders, and I switch on borders. As you can see, I have a whole lot of other settings here as well. I can say show values, for example, which will show me the actual number at the end of each bar. A bit much. Turning that off. If I want the visualization to have a title at the top, I enter it here, industry market cap, for example. And if I want to preview what this will look like, I press view, and I have my bar chart.